Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn new lesson number 3, a friend in need. A friend in need. Hariram was a priest in a little village temple. He took care of the temple and performed all the pujas and ceremonies. When it did not rain for 2 consecutive years, the people of the village became very poor and did not have enough to eat. Hariram too could not make enough money to feed his family. So he decided to leave his wife and 2 sons and go to the neighboring town to look for a job. On his way to the town, he heard someone crying, "Help, help." He looked around. To his surprise, the sound was coming from a dried up well nearby. He saw a pair of bright green eyes peering at him throughout the darkness. He was about to run away when the tiger called out, "Please help me." "How do I know you will not eat me up?" "Oh no, I do not harm anyone who helps me," replied the tiger. Hariram was a kind man and decided to help the tiger. He found a rope. Hariram pulled the tiger out of the well. The tiger thanked him wholeheartedly. As Hariram turned to leave, he heard the cries of a monkey and a snake from the well. He helped both of them out of the well. As he was about to throw the rope into the well, the animals cried out, "Don't help him. If you help the man in the well, he is sure to harm you." "Don't listen to the animals. They are mean." The man called out, "Please help me. You will not regret it." The man told him that he was a goldsmith and would help him in his need. Hariram was very happy to have made so many friends. Before bidding farewell, each of them promised again to help him in his need. Hariram reached the town. He was disappointed. He could not find a job because there were already many priests in the town. He then remembered the animals and the man in the well. He decided to find out if they would keep their promise to help him. The monkey welcomed him warmly and gave him a sack full of fruits. The tiger gave him a bundle of gold ornaments, precious stones, and gems. When he saw the goldsmith ornaments, he thought of the goldsmith whose life he had saved. When Goldsmith saw the jewels, his mind was filled with greed. The goldsmith then hid half of the jewels and took the rest of the ornaments to the king's palace. He told the king that the jewels were stolen from the palace by a thief who was hiding in his house. They arrested Hariram and threw him into the jail. He began to weep loudly. The snake was passing by and heard Hariram's voice. He called out, "Did I not tell you that the goldsmith would harm you?" He told Hariram that he would go and bite the queen, but he would put just enough poison in her body so to make her faint but not die. Hariram would then have to go to the guards and tell them that he could cure her. The snake also told him that he should just place his hand on her forehead and she would be cured. The snake bit the queen and she became unconscious. The king immediately called the royal doctor, but he could not cure her. The king announced a big reward for anyone who could cure her. Hariram did exactly as the snake had asked him to do. As he laid his palm on his queen's forehead, she slowly opened her eyes and sat up. Hariram told the king the entire story and how he had been able to save the queen with the help of his friend the snake. Hariram was given a big sum of money and 2 big sacks full of gold as a reward. Let's discuss the summary. Hariram was a kind hearted and helpful priest in a village who took care of the temple and performed all the pujas and ceremonies wholeheartedly. So the people loved and respect him. When Hariram could not make enough money to feed his family, as it did not rain for 2 consecutive years, the village became very poor. So he decided to leave his wife, 2 sons, and go to the neighboring town to look for a job. While going, Hariram pulled out the tiger, the monkey, the snake, and the man from the dark well and saved their lives. They all promised him to help him in need. Hariram becomes disappointed as he could not find a job in the town because there were already many priests in the town, so no one wanted another priest. As per the promises, animals helped Hariram. Hariram became very happy. He got lot of jewels, gold, and money. But the man was very mean. He planned. He went to the king and told the false complaint about Hariram, and he threw him into the jail. Hariram becomes very sad. He started weeping loudly and saying, "Why should I do like this? I should not help that man." That time Snake came. He made a plan and he told him how to come out from this tragedy. According to the snake's plan, Hariram did exactly as the snake had told him to do. When he got an opportunity, he went to the queen and placed his hand on her forehead. At the very moment, the queen slowly opened her eyes and sat up. The king becomes very happy because he had called the royal doctors, but they could not cure the queen. And this Hariram, with any effort, he got succeed. When king come to know all the story behind of it, he come to know that goldsmith is disloyal and Hariram is a kind person. He given him reward like jewels, lot of money, gold coins like this. Hariram becomes again happy and the goldsmith who was disloyal, he went into the jail. So what we learned from this story? Yes, if you are kind hearted, helpful and honest, friends will help you in your need.